Hi, madam. Good morning. So, mag-change color po tayo. Medyo ina-darken po natin yung hair nyo para mas maging visible yung highlights niya. So, let's do this. Hi, madam! So, kamusta po yung yung color natin?
Siyempre, happy customer of Bumpy.
Thank you so much, madam!
Kylie, of course.
Thank you, madam. Alam mo, nung una kanina, kinakabahan talaga ako. Pero nag-pray ako na sana maging successful yung natin, hair coloring transformation. Oh my God, guys! Thank you, madam!
You too, my pleasure.
Thank you so much po.